Here we have an ab workout kit. This kit comes complete with all equipment to do a great ab workout. The main part of the kit is a wheel roller, and the other main features which will come in handy and give you a great all-around ab workout is the push-up bars. It comes with 2 resistant bands, comes with a very functional jump rope, a nice knee pad so you could rest on your knees while doing the roller workout. This is perfect for a small home gym, fitness for men and women. So this 11-in-1 large ab wheel set comes in at 3.4 pounds. The ab roller wheel exercise works for various muscles, including core muscles, calf muscles. The push-up bars provide better support, mainly exercise chest muscles, bicep, tricep, and deltoid muscles. Roller handles are made of high quality TPR material, which is softer than PP material. The surface is treated with anti-skid lines, which is as soft as automotive tires. Very wear resistant, smoothed when used. Shock absorption, anti-skid, and prevents scratching on floors. The ab roller is comfortable, quiet, and more assured movement. Pay attention please when scrolling. Please scroll out in the direction indicated by the arrows on the wheel. You can't scroll in the opposite direction. Strong pressure handle, comfortable grip, and anti-skid during movement for safety. I think if you're looking for an all-in-one kit to get a good core body workout, which is a very important workout, and for entry level and even advanced person, you could get a decent workout with this. All depends on the effort you put in, and this will give you the right set of tools to do it.